Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for checking out this brand new episode of Restoration and Vick. For today's episode, we're going to be restoring these original UNC ones from one of the giveaway winners. As you guys can see, these things are pretty cooked. So what we're going to do is remove the yellowing, give these a good deep clean, remove the creases off the toe box, and repaint the whole uppers. So let's get started. So the first thing we got to do is apply some Salon Care 40 on the midsoles to remove the yellowing using my indoor setup. Alright guys, we're back. The little yellowing it has is now gone. Now the next thing we're going to do is remove the laces and insert a Rejuvenator shoe tree. Alright, so for this cleaning, we're going to be using Rejuvenator's 3 brush 4-ounce kit. We're going to be using the hard bristle brush to clean the soles and the soft bristle brush to clean the uppers. Alright guys, so we're done with the deep cleaning process. These shoes cleaned up really nicely, especially the tongues. The little stains that were on there are completely gone. So what we're going to do next is let these dry overnight, come back, and remove the creases off the toe boxes. Alright guys, so we're back. Shoes are all dried. The next thing we're going to do is remove the creasing using an iron. First thing we got to do is remove the shoe tree so we can stuff the toe box with some more rags. The next step we're going to do using a damp old t-shirt is place it over the toe box and simply iron it out. You don't want to use a texture rag like this because it can leave that texture print on the toe box. I guess the first thing you should check is to make sure your iron is on. Alright, so we got the toe boxes decreased as best as I could. Check them out. Now the next thing we're going to do is move on to the uppers. First thing I'm going to do is strip them using some acetone and cotton balls. Alright, so we're going to get started with the white leather. We're going to be laying down this flat white paint using an angler brush. Alright, so the white stayed down on all three sides. Now we're going to move on to laying down this custom blue UNC color. Alright guys, so the uppers are fully repainted. As you guys can see though, I did not touch the collars, and the reason is the material isn't leather or fabric, so if I paint it, it's gonna look kind of sloppy and unprofessional. It's a common issue with all 85s. For example, the black metallics, same issue, cracking collars. It's a different material, but same issue. Red metallics, same thing. Even on dead stock pairs, like on these black toes, see, no creases, full stars, but cracking collars. So let's go ahead and protect this paint job using a Krylon matte finish. Alright guys, gonna wrap it up on this restoration on these 85 original UNC ones. These things look really, really good. Check them out for yourselves. What I did was give them a good deep cleaning using Reshuminator Street Brush 4-ounce kit. Remove the creasing using the iron method. Repainting the uppers using white paint and a custom UNC blue color. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys next Monday.